Hello, my ABT students. This is a review assignment for you. Now, I know it's not mail merge, but it incorporates you having to remember how to link a spreadsheet. So this is the reason, just to keep your memory in touch, okay? So first of all, you're going to key the memo in as given to you, so that's very easy. You can do that and save it. All right, now it says to you, in Excel, open up the spreadsheet called initial investment. Okay, I did do that. I went to Excel and I've opened up the one called initial investment. It says copy the spreadsheet and paste it into your memo as a linked spreadsheet. All right, so first of all, we want to select the complete worksheet, right? Go Control C. Now we want to go back to Word and put your cursor down here on the blank paragraph symbol. And now this is going to be a linked one. So remember, you have to go to Home. You have to click on the drop down arrow for paste. And we have to say, paste it as a link. No, I don't want to paste as that. Hold on. Paste special. And I want you to make sure that you go and choose it as a Microsoft Excel worksheet object. And you want to paste the link. So Microsoft Excel worksheet object, paste link. Did you remember that? I hope so. All right, and now go Control E to center it. And then I said put your initials in, so press enter a couple of times. Go Control L, so you're back at the left-hand edge. And my initials are LM, and you'll put in your initials. Now, remember, if I press enter here, it flips it. All you have to do is go Shift F3, and you've got two little letters, which you should have. All right, so save your work. That's what we want there, and that's it. So we'll stop.